Yeah, I see you on the ground. What you doing, Famke? Oh, your parents are going to love this, Famke.
Yes.
Yes.
My aunties. You have to send them.
Whoa! Kaboom! You okay, Famke?
Yeah, no.
Oh, let's see. Oh, I think it's okay. It's a little dry. That's okay. I took a good look. Can you smile? Okay, thank you. Give a thumbs up. Okay. Famke.
I can see your clothes and my clothes.
Uh-oh. Are they in the washer yet? Not yet?
No. Yours are all in the laundry in a second.
Yes.
Hey, Toby, I don't want you to get down. Hang down. Uh-oh, she did the toys. She did the toys. Look, I can see Sean's toys. I can see Sean's toys.
Can you see Sean?
Yes, I can see Sean's toys.
Yep.
I thought he was Sean's toys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I just burped.